we've got this month's Fruit for Thought. So if you want to see what's inside, it's in a different box. Maybe they need something a little bigger, then stay tuned. Hi and welcome to our channel. My name is Tracy.
I'm Chloe.
And we're hanging out here with Bandit and Kinsey, and well, Toby's around here somewhere, as are the cats. But if you're new, welcome. Thanks so much for checking us out. And if you're returning, thank you so much for being a part of our YouTube family. So Fruit for Thought is a monthly subscription box with a kind of a fruit theme, although sometimes it's not necessarily fruit. She's done like an I Love the 80s theme, I don't know, a couple of different things. There was a spooky theme one month. So not always fruit, but typically fruit. Next month is not a fruit. There's also not one I'm excited about. Chloe would probably be excited about it, but I think I am going to save it for Boss's Day because my new boss is going to love it. And this month, the theme is pineapple, coconut, lychee. And next month is dill pickle. I don't like pickles. I don't think there's anything about that box I'm going to enjoy. I just am not a pickle person. She is, but so is my boss. So October's Boss's Day, and I get this late enough in the month that that's going to, I think, go to her. Sorry. But she likes, like, a lot of times you get, like, just some kind of, like, neat little thing in here. Like, I got a cherry pitter in here, and she has the same kind of, like, neat little thing. So I'm sure there'll be something in there that'll be, like, some neat little thing that she'll love. Getting much of a sneak peek in there. Chloe likes it when you don't get a sneak peek. And our first item is a pineapple core and slicer. So that's why I told you, like, sometimes you'll get just like neat little things. And I don't know how that would work, but I'm sure we'll figure it out. You excited about that?
Yeah. What's it do again?
It cores
it pours the
and
juice?
slices. It cores and slices. So there's this little thing on the bottom here. So once you pour it and you go around with this on the bottom, it's going to slice it as well. That is by Living
Concepts.
And then the next big thing in here, which she did spoil, is the Spongies with Undies. Isn't that adorable, Chloe?
Why do they need underwear if they're fruit?
I don't know. I think that's adorable. Let's check out our spongy. She doesn't like sponges, but I mean, this is too cute to use. You just set it out. There is the sponge, and here's the little thing that you're going to set it in. This is ceramic. It's got some little feet on the bottom, and there we go. You can sit that right out, and he's super cute. Super cute. Next, we have some coconut lime shower fizzies, and this is by, who's this by? Bally and Fritz. Oh, who's this by? What's that name on there?
Spongies with Undies.
No, right there.
Oh. Streamline Imagined.
Alright, Streamline Imagined. These look like candies, but they're not candies. They're shower steamers. Okay.
I don't even like lime candy anyways.
We have by Urbana a shea butter enriched soap, and what's it say? Salt and sea? Is that what that says?
Yeah, I'll read it for you.
It's soap.
Yeah, I know. I want to smell it.
Alright.
Smells good. Yeah, salt and sand.
Okay. And last are some treat bombs. Now, what are these? I know she spoiled these. I'm just not really sure what they are.
But this must be something related to
food.
Yeah, I know. To lychee, because everything else has been like coconut and like pineapple.
Yeah.
It's a amber candy. It's an edible crystal jelly candy. It's crunchy on the outside and chewy on the inside. It's vegan friendly and makes a delightful treat alongside a cup of tea.
Okay.
And
By
it has
the Treat Factory.
yeah.
Made with agar instead of gelatin.
Yeah.
How'd you know I wanted the littlest piece?
Because I knew it was either that or we split a bigger piece, and I didn't really want a big piece either. So I got a small piece too.
It's good. So let's see, the soap, it says, has a mix of floral and citrus with a splash of coconut and vanilla. Okay, because I was wondering with that name. All right. What do you think?
Good.
Pretty good?
Yeah.
I'm going to show them the candies now.
Yeah, they're really pretty.
So these are super pretty when you see these. Look at that. Like, so nice.
Yeah. Here's the pink one. Alright, like if we're gonna have the pink one, split it.
Okay. All right. Well, tell us your thoughts. What do you think? What was your favorite item from this box? I feel like it's the sponge with the underwear, just because it's a spongy with undies. I don't know. I just like that. Although these are really good too.
Yeah.
All right. Well, thanks so much for spending a little time with us. If you want in on the dill pickle theme, I have information, bless you, down below as to how to subscribe. And Pam is a great, she's very, very interactive with you. If you have any issues or anything, you just let her know and she's like right on top of it. All right. Well, thank you so much. And hopefully we'll see you soon.